Hello, welcome to PixelPia, Human Eye on AI. Once again, I will share a positive fictional story with you about technology and AI. If you have visited me before, you know that the most important word for me when it comes to AI is balance. And before we get into today's story, let's take a look at what I mean when I talk about balance in AI. AI harmony, balancing cautions and prospects, exploring the balance between AI's incredible potential and the mindful consideration it demands. Be vigilant about privacy, but embrace personalized AI enhancements with informed choices. Watch for biases in AI, but contribute to fair and inclusive AI solutions. Guard against over-reliance, but leverage AI to unlock creative human potential. Prepare for industry shifts, but seize opportunities for new careers AI creates. Remember the value of human touch, but use AI to enhance human connections. Demand clarity and accountability, but trust the progress towards ethical AI. Be aware of influence, but empower yourself with knowledge and critical thinking. So, with that in mind, let's listen to today's story. It's a heartwarming story about the tech pals and their mission to bridge the digital divide in their hometown, Harmony. So, sit back and enjoy. Once upon a time in the quaint town of Harmony, nestled between rolling hills and vibrant green fields, a digital divide had silently woven its way through the community, creating unseen barriers between generations. As technology advanced in a blistering pace, many of its elderly citizens found themselves stranded on the wrong side of this divide, disconnected from the digital world that promised connectivity. Here enters our heroes, a group of teenagers united by a shared passion for technology and a deep sense of community. Sarah, a coding wizard with a knack for simplifying complex concepts. Alex, a gadget guru whose curiosity knew no boundaries. And Jamie, a creative thinker who saw solutions where others saw problems. Together, they formed the Tech Paths, an alliance dedicated to bridge the digital divide in Harmony. The story began at the local library, a place that had become a second home to the Tech Pals. Here, amidst stacks of books and a hum of computers, they stumbled upon a community notice board, peppered with pleas from seniors seeking help with technology, from setting up email accounts to video calling loved ones. This was the moment the Tech Pals realized the extent of the digital divide in Harmony. The Tech Pals devised a multifaceted plan to empower the seniors of Harmony, knowing they had the skills to make a difference. The Tech Pals crafted a plan to bridge this divide. The senior centers, a vibrant hub for Harmony's elderly, stood out as the perfect ally. It was a place of laughter, learning, and legacy, where stories of the past met the possibilities of the future. The Tech Pals, armed with a proposal and a vision, approached Mrs. Thompson, the center's director. Their initiative, Text Tuesdays, was met with enthusiasm, making the beginning of a partnership that would bring the digital world to Harmony's seniors. Each Tuesday, the Tech Pulse introduced a new aspect of the digital world, from navigating smartphones to understanding social media. They demystified technology one click at a time. But it wasn't just about imparting knowledge. It was about building connections. Sarah, Alex, and Jamie didn't just teach. They listened, learning about the seniors' lives, their families, and the gaps they hoped to bridge with technology. As the initiative gained momentum, the Tech Pulse introduced Harmony AI, a simple yet powerful AI companion they had developed, designed with the needs of seniors in mind. Harmony AI was a chatbot that offered companionship, medication reminders, and an easy way to access information. It was a hit, bringing smiles and a sense of independence to many in the senior center. As summer waned, the Tech Pals planned the digital showcase, a culmination of their efforts and a celebration of new beginnings, held in Harmony's community hall. The event was a tapestry of technology and tenacity. Seniors, once hesitant before a keyboard, now navigated tablets and smartphones with ease, sharing their digital journey with the town. Booths were set up, each manned by a pair of a tech pal and a senior, demonstrating the various skills they have learned over the summer, from video calls across continents to creating digital art. The showcase was a testament to the power of technology to unite and empower. The highlight of the evening was the Harmony AI demonstration, where the AI companion designed by the Tech Pals interacted with attendees, offering reminders, jokes, and even advice on staying connected. It was an important reminder of the potential for AI to serve humanity, making technology personal and accessible. The Tech Pals had started as a small group of teenagers with a big idea, but they ended as the heroes of Harmony, having woven a digital bridge that connected generations. Their journey was a testament to the power of empathy, innovation, and community spirit. As the sun set over Harmony, casting long shadows and bathing the town in golden light, the Tech Pals knew their work was just beginning. The digital divide has been bridged, but the road ahead was long and filled with opportunities to make a difference. For Sarah, Alex, and Jamie, the adventure had only just begun. So this was a fictional story. But in my experience, technology can be extremely useful to bridge the gap between generations. but it must be built on empathy and community. It is important to remember how AI can serve as a positive force in the community. And as I began with the balance when it comes to AI, this is a very important question and the reason for why I create these videos. To have a dialogue, a discussion about where AI is taking us in the future. And talking about the future, next week I am going to be away and I will not publish any video or have my Monday live stream. But I encourage you to take a look at this week's Monday live stream, where I talked about OpenAI's text to video model Sora and the discussion we had about where this is taking us, if this is a step towards AGI or general AI. As always, I want to hear from you. This is important conversations to have. What do we want from AI? What are the risks we must be aware of? So I would love to hear from you what you think about today's story or any questions or concerns you have when it comes to how AI will impact our future. So share your thoughts in the comments down below. And remember, stay curious, stay informed, and be part of the change. Bye.